Hello CMA inter students. Tomorrow you have direct tax exam. However, you have written today's exam. Don't discuss about it. Don't think about it. It is already over. Now let us focus completely on preparing taxation paper. Direct tax is for 50 marks. Indirect tax is for 50 marks. Hardly I need is 4 to 5 hours. I will tell you how to revise in 4 to 5 hours for direct taxation exam tomorrow. First of all, these are the chapters. From these chapters, definitely one question will come in the examination tomorrow. Income from salaries. Definitely you have to prepare. You cannot ignore. You tomorrow go and see. In that exam, definitely one question will be from income from salaries. Residential status. Definitely one question will come. And house property also one question is expected. Capital gains, one question will come. These days, even from other sources also he is asking one question. So please prepare other sources as well. From set off of losses, he is asking one question. See, agricultural income is there, exempted incomes. So sometimes from agricultural income, he is asking one question. So he will give a list of examples. He will ask you to choose whether it is agricultural income or non-agricultural income. That's how he is also asking questions. And last but not least, definitely one question is expected from PGBP and total income. So go through PGBP adjustments, total income adjustments. Definitely like first question will be relating to that only. And at last go through return of income concept, TDS and TCS. I think this is sufficient. He is not touching remaining concepts. So if you at least prepare these sufficient, you will clear in tomorrow's examination. Okay. So don't worry. Salaries, residential status, PGBP and total income, set off of losses. These 4 chapters are priority. First prepare residential status, give first priority, then salaries, then other sources, then PGBP and total income adjustments. At least if you prepare these 4 chapters, definitely one gunshot question will come in the exam. I wish you all the very best. All today and tomorrow morning also I am available to you. You can text me or Telegram. I wish you all the very best. Thank you. Bye.